Hi guys. So I am going to show you in this video how to split your screen so that you can look at more than one screen simultaneously. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to go to your desktop view. This is where we're going to start. Once you are at your desktop view, I want you to go ahead and open up your internet browser, whether it's Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Safari, whichever one you're using. I want you to go ahead and open it. It should give you a full screen like this, but if it does not, then I want you to go to your top right-hand corner and click these boxes to get yourself a full screen. Okay? After you know that you have a full screen, I want you to go over here and look at the tabs that you have open. My computer automatically opens 2 tabs for me. Right now, I have my Google Meet tab up and my Clever Login tab up. But some people's computers may only open 1 tab for them. If you only see 1 tab, then I want you to go ahead and click this plus sign here and add a tab. Okay? Because in order for you to split the screen, you have to have more than 1 tab open. Okay? So now that you have 2 tabs here, you're going to go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and you're going to click these boxes again. And this is going to allow you to adjust the size of the screen. Okay? Because I split my screen often, it automatically goes to half my screen. But if yours does not, then you can still change the size of the screen by scrolling to the edges of the screen, of the window, and adjusting it like this. Okay? So I usually just put mine halfway. So once you have positioned this window the way you want it to, I want you to click on one of the tabs. It doesn't matter which one. I want you to left click on it and I want you to hold it and drag it out and place it in the empty space over here. Okay? And if you're like me and you want it like perfectly closed, then you can adjust it. Once again, you can adjust the size of the screen like this. And there you have it. You have a split screen. So I can go over here and work on this screen if I wanted to. If I wanted to add a tab, I can go over here and then I can also work on this screen if I wanted to. Okay. So thank you for watching the video and I hope this was beneficial to you in some way. Have a great day.